Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you a few different things, but the main thing I'm going to show you is how you can rank in a competitive niche and how you can make sure that your content will actually rank and not get lost in a sea of other people's content. So one of the hardest things when you're building affiliate sites is making sure that your content stands out both in an SEO perspective and also that it's going to rank. If you've got all of these products and you're writing reviews and you're writing keywords, how do you make sure that your content stands out? How do you make sure that you get ranked? And here's the other thing, how do you make sure that there's niches available for you that aren't just taken up by masses and masses of people? So this is a way that you can beat the competition that I'm going to show you now really simply. This is a way that you can pretty much guarantee rankings and get some really good commissions just by changing a few things that you're doing and how you're writing the content and how you're researching the product. So let's get straight into it. I'm looking forward to showing you. Do check out the link below if you're interested in an income stream that you can build simply and easily, and I've got a complete step-by-step guide for you. You'll see through the link below. Here it is, here's the simple page, but once you click on that button, enter your email, you'll be sent straight to a step-by-step income stream that you can set up. It's easy to do, it's real, it's brilliant for beginners, and you can go through that today. So do check that out, it's in the description, and let's get on with the video. So the first thing I wanted to show you is niches. So when you're looking at the best niches, you might have found they're all taken, there's no room for anyone, there's no way of getting in. The first thing I'm going to show you is exactly how to do that. So one of the strategies that you can use is search for new products in the niche that have been released recently. Sounds very, very simple, but I'll give you an example here on the screen. This is pool cleaners, robotic pool cleaners, and you've got the staple pool cleaners, but with technology, especially technology like this, they very often update the models. So 2024 model, there's also new product listings like you can see here, 2024 Aper Scuba S1, and you can also see, if we're looking at this, Aper robotic pool cleaner is the best seller, and you've got the 2024 here. And then you can also see that 10,000, this is a cool feature that Amazon have put in, 10,000 have bought this in the past month. So that's really and you can see here 2024 model. And what you can do is you can take this further. Let me show you on AI how you can take this further and make sure that you've got content that will actually rank. Here we go. So the way you can take this further using AI, I'm using ChatGPT, is actually ask AI, when was this product launched? And you can see here the Aper Scuba S1 was launched at CES 2024. So it's a brand new product, the Aper Scuba S1. And I can see here S1, 4,000 of these have been bought in the past month. Okay, it's relatively low on reviews, but it's only just been launched, or relatively compared to the other products. And then what you can do, so you can see here it's telling me a bit about the product, but I've verified that. What date did it first appear on Amazon? So you can see here, launch at CES 2024. Then what you can do to make sure that you get content that will actually rank, I recommend this strategy. You can see I've asked AI here, what are 3 things that set it apart from the competition and give me the #1 reason someone would buy this choice compared to the competition. You can see here, these features set the Aper Scuba S1 apart from the competition. Wave path navigation, horizontal waterline cleaning, solar charging option. #1 reason to choose is superior cleaning, coverage and efficiency. Now what you can do to make sure that you rank is write your review, write your sort of overview of the product, but then you can also spend time as subheadings on these 3 main points and mention them at the top, which is why people are coming, like above the fold. And you can mention these 3 main features and the #1 reason to buy. So what you've got there is a way into the niche because it's a new product, and you can do this in any niche, although it works well for technology. #2, you know that the product's selling really well because it sold 4,000 in the past month. If you can get 2, 3, 4, 5 of these sales, or even 10 of these sales, you're going to be doing really well and have a site that you can then flip. And you have also researched, as I've shown you, on the main things that people are buying for, and it's got it backed up. Like if you're using ChatGPT 4, it's given me other content pieces where I can look for more information. You've got the number one reason that people buy and the main features. Then when you build your content out, you know that it's got far better chance of ranking, and it's all set up correctly, and you can do that in any niche. So that's how you get into any niche, even competitive ones, and that's how you can pretty much guarantee ranking. So go and give that a go. That's one example for you. Works really, really well with technology. Have a look at your current sites, have a look at the products that are launching, and go and give that a go. Check out your income stream below in the description if you want in. It's totally free. And do subscribe, do give us a like. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.